Hey there, it's Jennifer from Positively Learning. I know that in the last episode I said I'm taking a quick break for December, but I wanted to pop in here and give you an important message. I have a special giveaway for you. I think it's perfect timing because I know December teaching can feel like a lot. But if you are dreaming of finally setting up an independent work system that actually works without taking over your entire winter break, I've got you. I think everyone can relate to the struggle. You want to create a system that's going to build student independence, save your time, and not fall apart by February. But finding the right materials and prepping everything and then figuring out where to even start, that can feel like an entirely new job. And that's exactly why I'm doing this giveaway. One lucky educator is going to win everything you need to start your own task box system without spending hours cutting, laminating, or second-guessing your plan. If you're already running an independent work system and use task boxes, this giveaway is also for you. Here's what the winner will receive. You'll get a full Rainbow's task box storage set, that's 16 count that I always recommend. You'll get a ream of white cardstock plus laminating sheets because you know you're going to need them. And I'm going to email you your top 3 favorite task boxes from the Task Box Dollar Club. Entering the giveaway is super simple. First, you're going to head to the Task Box Dollar Club library. I'm going to put a link in the show notes. It's totally public, so you don't need to log in. You're going to pick your top 3 favorite task boxes, the ones that you would love to start your system with when students return in January. And then you're going to fill out the short entry form that's linked in the show notes. And that's it. This is a very quick giveaway and the deadline to enter is coming up. I'm releasing this podcast episode on Friday morning, December 12th. The giveaway is live right now and it ends December 17th. That's Wednesday. I'll be announcing the winner on Thursday through email and on Instagram, so be sure to be following me there. And if you've been waiting for a sign to finally start your independent work system, this is it. Let's make 2026 the year your students are going to thrive independently. And you are finally going to get your planning time back. So please go pick your top 3 task boxes, enter the giveaway, and let's do this. All the details are in the show notes. Good luck. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'm dying to ask, what'd you think? Be sure to hit the follow or subscribe buttons so that you never miss an episode. You can find the show notes and links for everything mentioned in this episode at positivelylearningblog.com. See you next week for more special education solutions.